I'm Nate with Cusco Mountain Guides. In 2024, I guided 2 expeditions to Nevado Salkantay in the Cordillera Vilcabamba of Peru. Salkantay is a sacred mountain Apu and the highest close to Machu Picchu. It is the 10th highest mountain in the country and one of the more difficult mountains to climb. My first ascent of Nevado Salkantay was in 2013, and since then I've learned many lessons on this mountain and become the premier mountain guide in this area. On my second trip last year, I had the opportunity to take a drone and fly it above the summit and on other places around the mountain. I hope you enjoy the footage.
Yeah.